All right, hello. We are going to go over some more tips and tricks for different kinds of files that you might encounter that you're trying to bring into Adobe Illustrator. And sometimes you run into an issue that you can't exactly troubleshoot, at least not easily. So I'm going to show you something that I just encountered. So I'm going to go File, Place, and I'm going to retrieve my picture, which happens to be a screenshot because that was the only way that it came in. All right, so it's a small picture to begin with. That's maybe problem number one. The resolution here isn't great, so we can't create more resolution where there isn't any. But I love this project. This is an amazing student that took the word unity, broke it out into different pieces and parts themselves, and then talked about different aspects of their own personality and how that relates. It's beautiful. We need this piece to be in our project. However, when we go to image trace, the original defaults definitely are not very helpful. So when we open up that panel, we can do a little bit of our magic. But in this case, I'm going to try to increase that threshold a little bit. We got some noise down here. All right, let's see what else we can do. Paths seem to help. Corners helped a little bit to lower them. And noise definitely helped to lower it. But I'm just, like, the higher the threshold, I'm starting to see the parts up here come together, but I'm losing everything down here. Now, you can do a couple different things. If this is the only thing that we have to work with, you may end up bringing this file in multiple times and running image trace differently over the different pieces and parts that you're after, and then assembling it together. I've definitely done that. In this particular case, what I'm going to try to do first, though, is reach out to the student. I really, really want to honor their work, and so what I'm going to ask is that they very cleanly and neatly trace over everything that was in pencil in Sharpie. And I suspect we're going to have a much better success story if we work with a file like that. But I just wanted to share that sometimes, the best we can do is not always perfect. So let's go back to the drawing board and we'll try it again.